आयतारा गोवा सुराज पक्षान ल्हानशें अधिवेशन पणजे इन्स्टिट्यूट मिनेझीस ब्रगांचा सभागृहात दवरिल्ले. गोयची जनता पिडून घेवपी जनता न्हय तर ती बळकट आसा. ह्या सरकाराक ती वेंचणुकेंत बुद्ध शिकयतली असो विश्वास ह्या वेळार गोवा सुराज पक्षाचे सरचिटणीस फ्लोरियानो लोबो हांणी दाखयला. आरडेस्वा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आम्ही अजून बुराखान लिपूंक ना. गोंयकार तोक लिव्हर काढून उबे रावन धांवतले, उबे रावतले. वी हॅव आम्ही हिस्ट्री आम्ही सदांच आम्ही धिम्यर आहा. आमचे धिम्यो एकदम स्ट्रॉंग जाल्यात. पयलो आयले पुर्तुगेज, ताका गोंयकार गेले आनी पुर्तुगेज हाडले तर 450 वर्सां उरले. मागीर ते नाका म्हूण काडूंक तोपी हाडली नेहरूची, ते 34 इयर्स उरले. मागीर ताका काडूंक नागपुराची बीजेपी हाडली, ताणी 6-7-9 वर्सां चलयला. आनी आतां गोंयकारांचो कोणो मोडला. आतां आनी एक तोपी दिल्लीची आप. सो आमी आमच्यो धिम्यो सोडून आमी उबे रावया आमचे कोणे घट करून. त्या पासून आय थँक our candidate from Valley, his wife, for having graced this occasion by singing a song to Dr. Jack Sequeira.
Coming back to Nehru, I want to finish about Nehru first. You know what? Nehru was recognized, acknowledged worldwide as a man true to his word, non-violent person, would not do anything by force. What did he do in Goa? To please his best friend, Korneto, Krishna Menon, who was wanting to contest election, parliamentary seats, election in Bombay, he was not winning. To give him that credit that he was the defense minister going for re-election, would not win. They walked into Goa. They annexed Goa for this particular reason. How many people know this? And Krishna Menon, for your information, should have been in jail, the first defense minister of India, because about 60 to 70 jeeps that were placed order from England, the jeeps never came, the order was never put, and the money was eaten by Krishna Menon. And when it was caught, he was caught and the evidence was given to Nehru. Our defense minister is a cheat, sack him. He said, it will be a national shame if I sack my own defense minister. Dapundollo taka. Dapundollo rakhlo taka. Tyapasun today, if there is corruption all over India, including Goa, it's because of that topi. Nehru, because he set example. He set a precedent that you can get away with corruption. So you know where the corruption has come from. The topis, the topis.